Nagunahan sila kasi part of their activity, bawal makulit. Pag nasagot na ng ibang bawal na isulat.
Okay na yan. Okay, nauna na kami nila. Tapos na kami yan. Oo, ano yan? Kaparehas namin. Pizza din. Bawal na yan.
Ang daya yung tatlo.
Wait, natin namin na natin.
Mamaya na yan, no? Mamaya na. Sige, mamaya na yan, no? Burayin mo na yung web map. Burayin mo na.
Wait, nagpapakita na lang kasi.
Ano, sir?
Eh, sa akin na na yun. Sino?
Yung ano lang muna, acronym lang muna. Okay? Binibitiw tayo, ha? Okay? Nagunahan sila kasi bawal na makulit kapag nasagot ng ibang. Okay? So, let's go on first group to explain their answer. And remember, we have two criteria in having your grade. Number one is the content. Make sure na talaga yung word connected sa power. And number two, kahit maganda yung sinulat ko, at explain it. Okay? So your explanation will determine. Okay? So group one, explain your answer. Go. Explain your answer. Group one. Anyone? People. Only two are two students. Go. Explain. People, what's the connection with power? Louder.
In power. First, after namin is people. Hindi namin pinili yung politics kasi yung people is mas mas taas siya kaysa sa politics. Kasi kung wala sa people, kung wala yung people, wala yung politics. Hindi magagawa yung politics or kahit yung election, walang vote list na mangyayari.
Remember, yung constitution na
Yes.
referring to the people.
Yes.
The letter O naman ko is stands for owner. Pinili ko namin yung owner because sino pa talaga yung may-ari o may karapatan sa power. Within, ano naman po,
Owner.
meron naman po talaga, meron po talaga power yung governance but mas angat lang po talaga yung sa people.
And actually, those people who are the owner of almost everything, they are the most powerful people. If you own whether money, if you own wisdom, okay?
Then, sa dapat yung namin is war. War between the rich people and poor people po. Nagkakaroon tayo ng war kasi po, mas dinidegrade tayo ng mga rich people na bakit hindi tayo umaangat, ganyan po. May connection siya sa power kasi, sa power kasi yung rich people has the power na
Those who use war, especially with a special weapon, diba? They consider as the most powerful people. So war is an instrument of power. Okay. Next, letter E.
Letter E naman po is stand for equal.
Equality.
Equality.
Rather than equal.
Stand for equality naman po. Relationship po between people and government. We have the equality in terms of power.
Then last, rights.
Rights po. Doon po pasok yung Republic Act na may kanya-kanya tayong rights. May mga rights tayo na nakakatulong sa atin para ipaglaban yung tama natin.
If you know your rights,
You have the power.
you can be considered as
Power, yes.
Ano